What's up, everyone? It's your boy EHT1991. Just went for a jog outside and I've got a huge bug bite on my face right here. Could be that, could just be dry skin, who knows. But yeah, feeling pretty good today. Off work, it's a Sunday. And I just got the new iPhone 11 Pro. Had to look at the box just to verify that that's really what I have in my hands right here. It's the lowest memory option. It's the smaller screen version. They have one with like a huge screen, but this one's just kind of a normal size. And it's a big day for me because I am upgrading from the iPhone SE first generation, which is really an iPhone 6 in the body of an iPhone 5. Had that one for about 5 years or so, so it's time for an upgrade. And I just want to pause here and say I hope the video quality is alright. I'm sitting outside. I'm just using the webcam on my MacBook, so it's not like a fancy setup or anything. No external microphones. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing video because I may as well document this moment for the internet. You know, I didn't bring a knife or anything with me, so... oh, there's a little... see, look, Apple thinks of everything. There's a little tab right here with the green arrow on it, and that's just gonna go ahead and get you started. I went ahead and popped the seal on this bad boy. It's got that kind of like new cardboard, kind of new car kind of smell. I don't know how to explain it. Anytime you buy like new electronics, it's just got a certain sheen to it, like a certain veneer of just expensive, wonderful goodness. So So this is a shameful materialism kind of moment. As I mentioned, I just am upgrading from the iPhone SE. So, wow. First impression, that's the neighbors. First impression, this thing is shiny, man. It is shiny and beautiful and slim. This is cool. This just feels solid to hold in your hand. This is the Pro edition. It's the 11 Pro. It's not just the 11. So we got a stainless steel case here instead of aluminum. So it just feels kind of hefty. Obviously there's no home button. That was eliminated like 4 generations ago, but I'm new to the club of no home button. There is a plastic screen kind of protector in place. I'm going to put my own screen protector on there, obviously, which I bought at an exorbitant price of like $50. But, I mean, it's just one of those, like, if I'm only going to buy a phone every couple years or something, or every 4 years, I may as well go ahead and get the good stuff. Excuse my language for the little kids. 3 cameras on that bad boy. I'm really excited to see how that performs out in the real world. Looks like there's a tiny smudge on there. I don't know what that would be from, but I really hope not, because you pay top dollar for these nice cameras. It says designed by Apple in California. What else comes in this box here? What? It comes with AirPods? Or are those just regular headphones? Those are just regular headphones. I was gonna say, that'd be too nice if it came with AirPods. Comes with a wall adapter, wall charger, and the lightning cable. So I am fully set up to charge this thing. I know it does wireless charging too, but I don't have the drop on that, on the wireless charging. Probably got to buy something separate. I really didn't do that much research before I bought this thing. Kind of my own bad, but I just know that I wanted something nice and new. And I know the 12 is about to come out, but I really needed a phone today. My iPhone was completely unworkable. Water damaged. So yeah, there you go. This is the unboxing for the iPhone 11 Pro. Pretty exciting. Big day for me.